Hello and welcome to this video where we will quickly talk about enabling knowledge management within your organization by making rich and powerful knowledge articles in a jiffy. And these knowledge articles are very versatile in use on the service desk with your service desk agents, whether they be first level support, subject matter experts, or field agents. And these articles quickly help resolve these people to resolve incidents by referring to solutions within them. On the flip side of the service desk, you can also enable knowledge access to your end users so that they can self-help themselves to solution they would otherwise call the service desk for. Now let's take a look at how we make a knowledge article. In this example, I have been tasked with providing instructions to a client to download and install Notepad++ on his Windows 10 laptop. So I go to my Helix ITSM instance, I go to create new, I go to knowledge, and I see that various templates have been suggested to me. The most appropriate template for my case happens to be a how-to. I select it. I see the formatting. The formatting is provided for me to pre-look into how the article would look. This ensures consistency from one article to another. And I'm then asked to put in a title of the article. The minute I do that, my cognitive engine, my knowledge engine goes to work. It says that we've got several other articles that have such content within them already. I can view them and look at all of this. I can either copy from those articles or I can edit those articles if I should so choose. Yeah. Well then, in terms of drafting the solution, I'm given a rich text bar, which has many controls. You know, I can make my text bold, I can italicize it, I can underline it, I can embed images, tables, videos within it. Now, and then, you know, I see a control over here, which helps me maximize this window, so I have more room to operate in. I click on that. I'm asked to type in the question again. So I say download and install Notepad++ on Windows 10. And in the answer, I want to first embed an image about Notepad++, so it screams out to the end user that this is the right knowledge article to use. So one of the good parts about Helix ITSM is that it is compatible with other applications in the system. So I'm quickly able to refer to an image here, which I have stored, go back to my console and paste it. That's how long it takes. Then I can put in some quick instructions. I can say that first step, download and install Notepad++ from, and this is where one of the most commonly used formatting structure comes in, which is link. I click that link and I provide a URL. Let's go back and see if I have a URL. Yes, I do, for download. I'll say okay. So I've embedded a picture. I have supplied the link for download. Then I want to list a second steps. Refer to the video for installation instructions. And go back to my repository, pick this video link from there. I can go to this control over here for embedding a video and supply my URL in here, or I could have also embedded a video from another site into my knowledge article. And that's it. I take a look around. I think I like the way it looks. Going to close the maximize button. Everything looks good on the left. On the right, I see that I can limit the visibility to specific groups or to people in my company or a set of groups. For now, I'll make it visible to all. It says, do you want to publish this knowledge article to external audiences? That means this will be available to end users to self-help themselves. So I say yes to that. I can publish it in multiple languages. I choose English here. And then I'm asked to put in a couple of keywords which will quickly help the service desk agents and the end users to refer to this knowledge article. So I'll say Notepad++ in here, and I'll say Windows 10. This is a comma separated list. And that's it. There's categorization information which will help me to further refine access of this knowledge article. So I say I want to submit these changes. After I do that, my knowledge article goes into a state of in progress, and I can come over here and advance it to a stage of draft where it will be then exposed to the service desk. I put in a note for reference and I say save. And the service desk agents, the field agents, and the subject matter experts can quickly refer to this knowledge article in order to help a client who comes asking for download and installation instructions on Notepad++. Now, one of the things that is beautifully embedded in this platform is a process. So this is a preliminary article that I have put out to meet a requirement, but this article needs to be refined further over a period of time. So if I click over here, I can see that I may have an SME review on it, which will be the next stage where a subject matter expert will come and review this knowledge article and check its accuracy. And then a content review might happen after that. And within the content, the quality of the knowledge article would be examined as well. And finally, one last proofreading before it is approved. So a whole process around knowledge management and advancing it through its life cycle is embedded within the platform, and the entire workflow is driven accordingly. So I save that, and my knowledge article is ready for use. On the front of knowledge management, we have certain other controls to assist in other processes of advancing knowledge within your organization. The first of which is organizing your knowledge management team. So if I go in here and I click on knowledge, I can take a look at my knowledge management team very quickly. This is my knowledge team. Various roles have been assigned in it to knowledge KCS contributors and KCS candidates. KCS candidates are those who are able to quickly draft a knowledge article within the organization. KCS contributors are those who help in proofreading, who help in doing a review of knowledge articles and refining their quality. And we also have a KCS publisher who will be ultimately responsible for introducing this knowledge article as for general availability within the organization. In terms of assisting these people to proofread and to refine this article further, we have an AQI assessment, article quality index assessment built within the system. I can click on it very quickly. A blade opens up and I can see that here are a bunch of questions that a reviewer must mandatorily answer before he promotes this knowledge article further. Similarly, I can manage my knowledge base from here, where I can take a look at all the knowledge articles that are within my organization. I can take a look at all of them based on status and attend to the ones that I am interested in. So this is a quick way of introducing knowledge within your system. All our knowledge management practices, if opted for, can be oriented around KCS, which is Knowledge Center Services Framework, which is a world-renowned framework in organizing knowledge within your organization. So we introduce this framework without introducing too many governance controls which may slow down your performance. Well, thank you for spending this time with us. I hope you have a good idea of how to introduce knowledge within your organization now, and we'd be happy to hear your comments in the section below. Thank you and bye-bye.